9, 10. Vamos a contar. Naomi is going to repeat after me and you have to repeat with her. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 y 10. I think this is a perfect time to exercise, but you have to count on your own. Are you ready? I won't be able to talk. This is going to be hard. Let's work out the triceps. Vamos a hacer ejercicios. Let's exercise. And did you manage? I'm sure you've done it. Well done. Now you're able to count from 1 al 10. Puedes contar del 1 al 10. Right? We have to say goodbye. Adios. I'll see you next time. Remember to subscribe, share this video, and like, me gusta. Hasta la próxima.